My name is Adishri and I have Venkata, Praneeth and Chirag as my teammates. We have created our project named Meghan, an NLP based chatbot. Now I would like to give you a quick background on what chatbots are so that you get a fair understanding of why we have built a chatbot. Chatbots are not a recent development, as we all know. There are many companies who are now developed chatbots and the users are interacting with the AI agents. So chatbots are basically simulations which can understand human languages, process it and interact back with the humans while performing specific tasks as they are designed for. The first purpose to design is utility and the purpose of the chatbot. That is the first thought why we wanted to build this particular project. How we will find out Meghan stand out different from other chatbots. Now we all must have come with the struggles of how do I find my syntaxes? Where do I find my syntaxes? Do I need to navigate to too many links? Also, when I type in the Google, sometimes it rephrases what I actually want and I get a different answer, not the desired result what I'm seeking for. And that is how we all are struggling with it. So that is how we came up with the idea, why not design a chatbot which can answer all our questions. The focused on the Python syntaxes. For now we have developed it for pandas only, and which makes our job easier, and that is why it stands out different from the other chatbots, because we have developed it for our own data science students like me. You all have also faced problems and difficulties. That is how when you use this Meghan, your problems will be solved and your time will also be saved. We have designed this chatbot based on NLP because it improves understanding capabilities. It is a one repository for all data science syntaxes. We refer Meghan as a Google Stack Overflow for Python syntaxes, and in the later slides my friend would tell me why we give it or refer to as a Stack Overflow. After this, I would like to show you a quick demonstration of how does the Meghan work and how it solves the problem obviously.
Hi, I'm Megan. How can I help you today?
Hi, what can you do for me?
I'm Megan, your syntax finder for Pandas Python library.
What is pandas?
Pandas is an open source, BSD licensed library providing high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming language. This is a high-level data manipulation tool developed by Wes McKinney and is built on the NumPy package. This package provides active and flexible data structures in order to make easy working with relational or labeled data.
What data structures available in pandas?
There are two data structures supported by Pandas library, series and data frames. Both of the data structures are built on top of NumPy. Series is a one-dimensional data structure in Pandas and data frame is the two-dimensional data structure in Pandas. There is one more axis label known as panel, which is a three-dimensional data structure, and it includes items, major underscore axis, and minor underscore axis.
Help me create a data frame.
What is the structure of your data?
List.
df equals pd. Data frame, name, names underscore list, age, age underscore list.
Name PD is not defined.
Import pandas as pd.
Examples?
https://www.geeksforgeeks.org/different-ways-to-create-pandas-dataframe/.
Thank you, Meghan.
Always here to help you. Have a nice day.
So we all have seen the demonstration for Meghan. Thank you, Meghan. Now the main purpose to show the demonstration was We can also have syntaxes, as I've already mentioned. We can also have links where you see that you have a large line of code, and it cannot come in a chatbot screen. So you can we also provide the link where you can go and you can find out your answers. Along with this, if you want a theoretical answer about what is pandas, what is data frame, what is NLP, we also provide answers to such questions. Now, my friend Praneeth would take over the presentation and explain the specifications and the terminologies we have used to design the chatbot. Praneeth, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Adishri. Hello all, I am Venkata Pranit D. Let's learn more about the terminologies and technologies used. The Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a natural language service provider powered by Google's machine learning. Dialogflow helps to easily build applications that can understand natural language and also can be easily scaled up. The applications that can be integrated with different languages and supports 20 different languages. And intents of which the user says or the intentions of the user. The responses or the action results based on user intentions. Fulfillment is a way to integrate programmable actions or connect with the external databases. Other platforms that are used are Heroku and MongoDB. Heroku is a cloud platform that provides services to host your applications. It supports multiple programming languages and runs the application in a reliable runtime. One add-on that has been used in this application is Heroku Scheduler. This helps to invoke the program after every given time interval. MongoDB. MongoDB is a database that is a document oriented database program or a NoSQL database. The features of the MongoDB are it supports ad hoc queries, real time analytics, indexing, replications, and load balancing. As we all have seen the performance of the Meghan, now let's understand the design specifications of the Meghan. Meghan uses Google's Dialogflow to add natural language understanding to the chatbot. The program that helps to connect different programs or to scrap the knowledge from the Stack Overflow are written in Node.js and are hosted on Heroku platform. We will learn more about the Dialogflow and Heroku in the previous slides. Coming to the design of the Meghan, the first contact or the front facing is the Meghan agent of the Dialogflow. Whenever the user wants to chat about or he talks to the Meghan agent, Meghan is trained with the information of the sub-agents and the knowledge they possess. This information helps the Meghan to decide which sub-agent consists the information on the question asked by the user. The sub-agent ID will be passed to the linkage bot hosted on the Heroku. This linkage program makes an API call to the sub-agent with the ID provided by the Meghan and receives the response to the question asked in the first place. This ends the flow of the question. But from where does this chatbot learn the questions and their answers? We can train this agent either manually or we can provide the document that has the FAQs. Here in this project, we train the bot in two ways. One is manually training it, and then secondly, by writing a program which does the manual work. The program does scrap the questions from the Stack Overflow and then scrapes the answers from the web page using Beautiful Soup. Once it gets the questions and answers, it will train the agent. The program also updates the Meghan every given interval of time with the information that has been the sub-agent trained with. This program scraps the Stack Overflow every 10 minutes and train the agent with 50 questions each time it does. So this is how the Meghan works. Thank you guys for listening to me. From here on, my friend Chirag will lead the presentation.
Thank you, Pranit. Hello everyone, I'm Chirag and I would like to talk about the utility and integrations of our bot, Meghan. By the word utility, I mean that even if we are creating a bot, but if it doesn't benefit the users, the people will not buy it. So, by doing researching on the statistics, we have finalized our bot. We have integrated the Dialogflow with social networking platforms like Meta, Telegram, Google Assistant, and many more, as you can see on the slide. So we have used Dialogflow inbuilt feature to integrate with Dialogflow phone gateway and Google Assistant, and Communicate to integrate it with Facebook and Telegram with Dialogflow. So Communicate is a chatbot technology platform that provides real-time, proactive, and tailored support to growing businesses. Let me go to next slide. So here is the screenshot of Meghan working with Communicate, Messenger, Telegram, and Google Assistant. My friend Adishri already explained about how Meghan works on Google Assistant. Let me show you how it works on Communicate with live chat. So here let me find about how to concat two data frames. So here, as you can see, Meghan has provided the answer that you can use pd.concat data frame 1 comma data frame 2 to concat two data frames. So here is the statistical reports which shows how chatbots are the fastest growing brand communicational channels. So as you can see here, the vast majority of consumers have neutral or positive experiences with chatbots. 70% of white collar workers will interact with some form of chatbot by year 2022. So this is how the statistics looks. So this is about the chatbot engagement statistics, and it shows that the average satisfaction rate of bot-only chat is 87.58%, and chatbot generates 35 to 40% response rates. Here are the useful links regarding the chatbot access, Heroku, and GitHub, which we have used in this project. These are our references. Thank you.
Last but not the least, do not forget to subscribe for our channel on the YouTube. You can see the bell icon, and do like and share to your friends as well. You can mention your feedbacks and your suggestions in the comment section. And thank you for listening us. Goodbye. Have a great day.